The Pedego latch can easily be folded in about 30 seconds. Here's how. First, lower the seat all the way down. Then rotate the crank arms to the 3 and 9 o'clock positions with the non-drive side towards the front of the bike. Now fold both pedals. Next, turn the handlebar down so the brake levers line up with the handlebar stem, and then lower the handlebar stem. Then fold the entire handlebar stem down. Now put the kickstand up and open the latch. Finally, fold the bike in half and pin the front wheel to the rear wheel where it will lock into place.